how to remove a background in CapCut and replace it with something else for free. The first thing you need to do is downgrade your CapCut version to 3.8.0 because ByteDance keeps removing features that were previously free and turning them into paid. So once you do that, you're going to import your video and you're going to import your background. So we're going to drag our background image and we're going to drag our other image down. Now the main video should be on top and the background image should be on the bottom. So we're going to click on our timeline here. We're going to click remove background up in the upper right here. We're going to click auto removal. Now CapCut is going to go through and they are going to process this, which depending on the video could take up to a minute. And now we go up to export on the upper right. We're going to export this to our folder.